Samantha Bee's just announced holiday special looks at very first glance like it could give Martha Stewart a run for her stocking stuffers, but by the time agents raid a nativity scene, tradition has headed up the chimney. TBS has released a trailer and set a December 19th premiere date for full Frontal's holiday special Christmas on I.E., and promises that it will be less godless than the usual liberal variety spectacular. Bee promises during the trailer that she'll spend the special actually on ice, with Olympic medalist Adam Rippon among the guests joining Bee at New York's PlayStation Theater. On a winter wonderland set inspired by Melania Trump's 2017 Christmas video, Bee explains that the special and merchandise from opening ceremony fashions will raise funds for Kind's Family Separation Response Team, a non-profit organization working to reunite families separated under Donald Trump's zero-tolerance policy. Among the footage highlights viewable above,
Action figures rappelling onto a nativity scene, don't answer the door, a gingerbread border wall, and a Christmas tree ornament reminding everyone that detention of migrant children is at the highest levels ever. This will be a festive reminder, says Bee in her most heartwarming tones, that we've effed over thousands of immigrants and we still haven't fixed it yet. Merry Christmas. Full Frontal's half-hour Christmas on I.E. airs commercial-free on Wednesday, December 19th at 10:30 p.m. ET/PT on TBS. Check out the trailer above.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.